In this video, I'll show you how to sign up and create Upwork account. I'm going to be using my browser, so go to upwork.com. This is what is going to come out. So I'm going to show you what you need to do carefully. So what you need to do, you need to click on this sign up. Once you click on it, you're going to be using the second option, but if you want to be hiring people, you're going to use the first option. So you're going to use the second option, click on it, click on first. Now you can be able to fill in these required details, right? Once you're done, click on your create account. You're going to be able to create your account, or you can, let me say, I'll be using this. I'm going to click on this. I'll wait for it to open up. So I'm going to use my email. So yeah, so I think this is still cool for me. It's still cool, so I'm going to be using this. So you need to just come on here, click on, okay, I'm going to enter Edo, how to Edo. So I'm going to click on create my account. So my account is going to be created here on Upwork. So you're going to just wait for it to load up. After a few seconds, or let me say 2 or 3 minutes, your account is going to be able to be ready for you here on Upwork. So this is it, your account has been created. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.